Hello, friends. Just wanted to give you a quick report about what's some of my favorite photographers and videographers thought of the Nikon Z line. They thought the autofocusing was poor. It only has one memory card slot. I didn't think. Oh, and the battery life is terrible. 330 pictures or 15 minutes of video on one battery. The autofocusing is face detection, and that was terrible. Let's just call it what it was. Terrible. Yes, these were pre-production cameras that everyone that was testing, and they all said that. But this camera, they got Nikon's got some work to do. This camera is not ready for prime time. They they would have to do, some major firmware updates even before they sell the camera. That to take really before they put this camera, before they start shipping this camera, they better do better at the factory and make sure the autofocusing is wonderful because Sony's autofocusing is wonderful, and if they can't get to that point, then keep working on it. Just those two main things. I think the battery life is. I mean, the autofocusing is number one, and then Jason Lang, pro photographer, also said he also thought that the lens selection was laughable, poor. Nikon is selling a 35, a 50, and a 24 to 70, and he thought they were outrageously expensive, and like the 50 1.8 is $900 apparently. Let us see. Okay, here's the camera. The Z7 is 3,400 and Z6 is 1,000 2,000, let's say. Okay, I clicked lenses, not. Let's go back. Okay, here we go. Sorry. Let's see available lenses. And the not Nikkor lens that won't be available. That won't be. It's a manual lens, and it won't be available till early next year. So here we go. The 24 to 70 is $1,000. The 35 is $850, and the 50 millimeter is $600. And the rest of these are F-mount lenses that you can adapt. The adapter is $250. But if you buy it with the camera, then it's $100. The adapter is $100 off. So that's the breakdown. Yeah, I find and they one of the photographers said the bokeh was terrible. on the 35mm. Bokeh is how you want the blurry background, but a sharp. Don't want the target sharp, but the background blurry and in an interesting, nice way, not an ugly, smeary way. So that's where we're at. Camera needs work. Not ready for prime time. I will leave you here with 2 thumbs down. Guys, take care. Need to. They better get the production versions solid. Bye.